Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your JotForm account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove your PayPal business account from your JotForm? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove your PayPal business account from your JotForm anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes PayPal can put your payments into a freeze, so maybe you don't want to accept payments through your JotForm with PayPal anymore. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your JotForm account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my JotForm, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and remove your PayPal business account, it's going to be handled on the form level. It's not on an account level. So here on the left, you're going to click on all forms. Once you do that, you should see all of the forms that you have in JotForm. You can see I just have these two. So you want to hover over the form that you want to remove your PayPal business from. Once you hover over it, you're going to see these three buttons on the right, and you want to click on edit form. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be in the form editor. So just to show you that I have this set up, if you scroll down, you're going to see the product and payment through PayPal. You can see right here, I can take PayPal, and all you're going to do is just click on the payment screen, and you should see these three buttons pop up, and you want to click on the wand. Once you do that, you're going to click on the gear icon. Okay, you can see PayPal integration. This is different than PayPal personal. This is my PayPal business account. However, the process is going to be the same. So all you're going to do is here on your JotForm, you're going to click on the trash can and remove this little section here. And you should see this pop up right here, field deleted. So now on this particular form, I can no longer receive payments through my PayPal business form. And to confirm that it took place, what you're going to do is click on settings, and then here on the left, click on integrations. Now, anytime you have a payment method set up in one of your JotForms, you can only add just one. So once you have a payment method set up like PayPal business, once you go in here to integrations, all of the payment methods are going to be grayed out. You're not going to be able to click on them. So let me click on see all and scroll down to payments. Now you can see all of the payment methods are available on this particular JotForm because my PayPal business has now been deleted from that JotForm. So you'll need to go back into every JotForm to remove your PayPal business if you're switching over to another payment method. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete your PayPal business account from your JotForm, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.